What's going on, everybody? It's Chelsea Daniels here. I have made it to Montego Bay after an hour and a half long transfer from the Royalton to Grill to the RIU Montego Bay, plus some traffic and just a lot of travel interesting things that happened. But I got here. All in all, I am here and ready to explore the resort. RIU Montego Bay is adults only. It is a pretty large property. I did not realize that it was this big, but I'm going to try to catch the last 30 minutes of lunchtime in the buffet, and then just gonna do some walking around, catch a drink, do a little bit of that, and just see what's happening outside. There's a water park here. There is just so much going on. They have an all-white party tomorrow, so I'm excited. It's gonna be a great time. So thanks for staying tuned, and see you soon.
Oh boy, I feel weak, I feel insane. I feel you all in my veins. I need you.
RIU, or RIU Montego Bay, is only about 10 to 15 minutes from the airport, and it sits right next door to its sister properties, RIU Palace and RIU Reggae. So the lobby area has an open concept, which I thought was pretty cool, but there is no air conditioner, so you have to be aware of that. But there's so much seating area, and I really did like that part of it. And right around the lobby area, there's also a lobby bar, as well as the main entertainment area. And there's even a club back there too. It's pretty poppin' right around the check-in area, which is pretty cool when you first get there. One thing I loved about this resort is they have 4 main pools and an adult water park. So there's so many pools. There's no trouble getting into pool water at this resort. And as you can see, all the main entertainment happens at the swim up bar. It was pretty hard to get a seat around this area during most parts of the day, but this is where the party is always happening at. Now, I'm a big kid at heart, so seeing that they had a adult only water park at this resort, it had my eyes so big. And yes, I did get on the water slide as well, and I had a ball. So this resort is a beachfront property, and you are basically walking distance from access to the beach, which for you beach lovers out there, perfect. So there's also a Sandpit where they have like evening entertainment sometimes, and then there's Pepe's Jerk Hut, which is honestly the best food I had while I was at the resort. So here's a quick view of a family suite with a sea view. Now, I want to start by saying that the RIU Montego Bay, their rooms are very basic. So if you're looking for any luxury, that's not what this is going to be, okay? It's not that it's not nice, but it's not a luxury 5-star resort. This room actually does have a lot more space. This is not the room that I stayed in, but I wanted to be able to show you all what the family suite looked like. So if you're looking to book that, you know how much space it has in reference to the standard room that I stayed in. And this is one of the RIU brand hotels' signature things, their liquor dispenser. Everybody loves them. And one thing I loved about this big room is the big balcony area. This is a lot of space for this. It's really a patio, but a lot of space in comparison to the regular rooms. But keep in mind, they do not have a lot of these room categories available. So this is the room that I stayed in, which was a standard room with a garden view. So there was no ocean view, nothing spectacular, a lot smaller in size than the suite that I just showed you. But it was perfect for me. It was clean. I loved the liquor dispenser in the room. That was the first time that I experienced that. They still had the dual his and her sinks. The shower and bathroom area was spacious enough. I still thought the room was great. So like I mentioned, it's not at all luxury. So if you're looking for a luxury experience with your room, you may not like these accommodations, but they did have robes available. They also had a safe, they had an ironing board and an iron. There's a mini fridge. I mean, they really have everything that most all-inclusive resort rooms offer. The accommodations are just not luxury. Okay, I wanted to make sure that I highlighted that so that everybody understood that when they watched the video. One of my favorite things though is the mini bar. I have not experienced this mini bar with the liquor dispenser, and they refill the liquor dispenser every 2 days. So I was there for a total of 5. So they did come and they cleaned it out for me. They changed out the liquor because I was drinking a lot of that rum. But I thought this was really cool, and it made it so I didn't have to go walk far to the bar to get a drink when I wanted one. The food was honestly the best part of my stay at this resort. The Sopia restaurant is their Italian restaurant, and it was amazing. I mean, 10 out of 10. I didn't get a chance to try the Golden Dragon, which is their Asian cuisine, but I heard it was really good as well. And then the Rose Hall, which is their buffet, I actually ate there pretty much every day. I thought the food in there was really, really good. I don't have any footage of the steakhouse and their specialty restaurant, but I heard the steakhouse was the best restaurant on the property. Now, the only downside about the food is that all of the restaurants require reservations, and they filled up fast while I was there. So if you're going with a big group, it might be hard to get reservations at those restaurants. So I really enjoyed my stay at the RIU Montego Bay. I will definitely be going back in the future. If you are here, thanks for watching. I hope that this video was meaningful to you. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.